This course that you are taking is actually an advanced course in option trading. If you are new or you are a beginner to option trading, I suggest you take up this course, Free Option 101 Basic of Call and Put Option in 1 hour. This course is by me and it is free. So please take this course if you are new to option trading. Even if you are an advanced option trader, do take up this course because I share some interesting video and training that no other course has offered. One of it is that the straddle price and 1 standard deviation. This is very interesting and you should definitely watch it. Most or all my trading strategy is based on straddle price and the 1 standard deviation. In a very short summary, if you are selling option, you want to sell more than 1 straddle price away. And if you are buying option, you want to buy within the straddle price and not buy beyond the straddle price. That is a very interesting take that you should consider when you are trading option. So do sign up for this course. It is free and it is on the Udemy marketplace. Go through this course before you continue the rest of the course. Thank you.